Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add some vintage vibes to your videos by adding this VHS overlay effects to your videos. So here I'm using CapCut to do the edits, and now you can just after you import the clip, you can add the overlay. So click on overlay and add overlay. Here I'm using this VHS overlay. Click on add. So I got this overlay from TikTok. You can easily find it by adding keyword VHS overlay on the search column on the TikTok apps. Okay, I've already trimmed the first part. Don't forget to adjust the size like this. And now you can go to splice or blend to make it blend with the main video. So I'm going to use the overlay mode, and here you can also adjust the intensity to your liking, the opacity. Click on a check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.